Question 1. Which is the most valued currency in the world? A. Kuwaiti dinar. B. Bahraini dinar. C. US dollar. D. British pound. The correct answer is Kuwaiti dinar. The Kuwaiti dinar, KWD, is the world's highest valued currency. One Kuwaiti dinar approximately equals $3.26 United States cents. Kuwait's vast oil reserves and stable economy keep the dinar exceptionally strong. Question 2. What is the currency of India? A. Indian rupee. B. Bangladeshi taka. C. Pakistani rupee. D. Sri Lanka rupee. The correct answer is Indian rupee. The Indian rupee, INR, is the official currency of India, issued by the Reserve Bank of India. The rupee symbol was adopted in 2010, designed by D. Udaya Kumar. Question 3. Which currency is known as the world's reserve currency? A. US dollar. B. Euro. C. British pound. D. Japanese yen. The correct answer is US dollar. The US dollar, USD, is the world's primary reserve currency. Over 60% of global foreign exchange reserves are held in dollars. It has been dominant since the Bretton Woods Agreement of 1944. Question 4. Which is the currency used by the European Union? A. Euro. B. Pound sterling. C. Swiss franc. D. Swedish krona. The correct answer is euro. The euro, EUR, is the official currency of 20 of the 27 EU member states, collectively called the Eurozone. Introduced in 1999, it is the world's second most traded currency. Question 5. What is the currency of Japan? A. Japanese yen. B. Chinese yuan. C. South Korean won. D. Hong Kong dollar. The correct answer is Japanese yen. The Japanese yen, JPY, is the official currency of Japan and the third most traded currency in the world. The Bank of Japan issues the yen, and it is widely used as a reserve currency in Asia. Question 6. Which country uses the British pound sterling? A. United Kingdom. B. Ireland. C. Australia. D. Canada. The correct answer is United Kingdom. The British pound sterling, pound, GBP, is the official currency of the United Kingdom. It is the world's oldest currency still in use, dating back to the 8th century, and the fourth most traded globally. Question 7. What is the currency of China? A. Chinese yuan, renminbi. B. Japanese yen. C. Korean won. D. Hong Kong dollar. The correct answer is Chinese yuan, renminbi. The Chinese yuan, CNY, also called renminbi, people's currency, is the official currency of China. It is issued by the People's Bank of China and is among the world's top 5 most traded currencies. Question 8. Which is the weakest currency in the world? A. Iranian rial. B. Vietnamese dong. C. Turkish lira. D. Nigerian naira. The correct answer is Iranian rial. The Iranian rial, IRR, is the world's least valued currency, approximately 42,000 Iranian rials to $1 United States dollar. Decades of US sanctions, high inflation and political instability have severely devalued it. Question 9. What is the currency of Russia? A. Russian ruble. B. Ukrainian hryvnia. C. Bulgarian lev. D. Polish zloty. The correct answer is Russian ruble. The Russian ruble, RUB, is the official currency of Russia, issued by the Bank of Russia. It is one of the world's oldest currencies, dating back to 13th century Kievan Rus. Question 10. What is the currency of Brazil? A. Brazilian real. B. Argentine peso. C. Peruvian sol. D. Colombian peso. The correct answer is Brazilian real. The Brazilian real, R dollar, BRL, is the official currency of Brazil. Introduced in 1994 as part of the Plano Real to combat hyperinflation, the real is the most traded currency in Latin America. Question 11. Which currency has the symbol A. South Korean won, B. Japanese yen, C. Chinese yuan, D. Vietnamese dong? The correct answer is South Korean won. The South Korean won, KRW, is the official currency of South Korea. $1 is worth roughly 1,300 won. The Bank of Korea issues the currency and manages monetary policy. Question 12. What is the currency of Saudi Arabia? A. Saudi Riyal, B. Qatari Riyal, C. UAE Dirham, D. Kuwaiti Dinar? The correct answer is Saudi Riyal. The Saudi Riyal, SA, is the official currency of Saudi Arabia, pegged at 3 Saudi Riyals and 75 halalas per US dollar since 1986. The Saudi Central Bank, SAMA, manages it, backed by the kingdom's enormous oil wealth. Question 13. Which country uses the Swiss franc? A. Switzerland, B. Austria, C. Belgium, D. Norway? The correct answer is Switzerland. The Swiss franc, CHF, is the official currency of Switzerland and Liechtenstein. It is renowned globally as a safe haven currency due to Switzerland's political neutrality, strong banking system and low inflation. Question 14. What is the currency of Australia? A. Australian dollar, B. New Zealand dollar, C. Canadian dollar, D. US dollar? The correct answer is Australian dollar. The Australian dollar, a dollar, OAD, is the official currency of Australia and several Pacific Island nations. Introduced in 1966 to replace the pound, it is the fifth most traded currency in global forex markets. Question 15. What is the currency of the United Arab Emirates? A. UAE Dirham, B. Saudi Riyal, C. Qatari Riyal, D. Bahraini Dinar? The correct answer is UAE Dirham. The UAE Dirham, 8, is the official currency of the United Arab Emirates, pegged at 3 United Arab Emirates dirhams and 67 fils per USD. Dubai and Abu Dhabi's economic growth has made the dirham one of the most stable Gulf currencies. Question 16. Which currency is used in South Africa? A. South African Rand, B. Nigerian Naira, C. Kenyan Shilling, D. Egyptian Pound? The correct answer is South African Rand. The South African Rand, ZA, is the official currency of South Africa and is also used in Lesotho, Eswatini and Namibia. It is the most traded African currency in global forex markets. Question 17. What is the currency of Canada? A. Canadian dollar, B. US dollar, C. Australian dollar, D. New Zealand dollar? The correct answer is Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar, CAD, nicknamed the loonie, after the loon bird on its coin, is the official currency of Canada. It is the sixth most held reserve currency in global central banks. Question 18. Which currency has the symbol A. Turkish lira, B. Russian ruble, C. Ukrainian hryvnia, D. Polish zloty? The correct answer is Turkish lira. The Turkish lira, TRY, is the official currency of Turkey. The symbol was introduced in 2012. The lira has faced significant depreciation in recent years due to high inflation and monetary policy challenges. Question 19. What is the currency of Mexico? A. Mexican peso, B. US dollar, C. Guatemalan quetzal, D. Canadian dollar? The correct answer is Mexican peso. The Mexican peso, dollar, MXN, is the official currency of Mexico and the most traded Latin American currency in global forex markets. Mexico was one of the first countries in the world to adopt a decimal monetary system. Question 20. Which is the most traded currency pair in the world? A. EUR, USD, Euro, US dollar. B. GBP, USD, cable. C. USD, JPY. D. USD, CHF, Swissy. The correct answer is EUR, USD, Euro, US dollar. EUR, USD is the world's most traded forex pair, accounting for about 23% of all daily foreign exchange transactions. The pair represents the two largest economies, the US and the Eurozone, trading over $1 trillion daily. Question 21. What is the currency of Nigeria, Africa's largest economy? A. Nigerian Naira. B. South African Rand. C. Ghanaian Cedi. D. Kenyan Shilling. The correct answer is Nigerian Naira. The Nigerian Naira, NGN, is the official currency of Nigeria, Africa's most populous nation and largest economy. Introduced in 1973 to replace the pound, the Naira is managed by the Central Bank of Nigeria. Question 22. Which cryptocurrency is the largest by market capitalization? A. Bitcoin. B. Ethereum. C. Tether. D. Solana. The correct answer is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, BTC, created in 2009 by the pseudonymous Satoshi Nakamoto, is the world's first and largest cryptocurrency. It is capped at 21 million coins and is often called digital gold, as a store of value. Question 23. What is the currency of Singapore? A. Singapore dollar. B. Malaysian ringgit. C. Hong Kong dollar. C. Philippine peso. The correct answer is Singapore dollar. The Singapore dollar, SGD, is the official currency of Singapore. It is one of the strongest and most stable currencies in Asia, backed by Singapore's thriving financial sector and AAA-rated economy. Question 24. Which African currency is the strongest, highest value vs USD? A. Libyan dinar. B. South African rand. C. Egyptian pound. D. Kenyan shilling. The correct answer is Libyan dinar. The Libyan dinar, LYD, is Africa's strongest currency by value. 1 Libyan dinar approximately equals 21 cents USD, making it more valuable than most African currencies. Libya's vast oil reserves underpin its currency's relative strength. Question 25. What is the currency of South Korea? A. South Korean won. B. Japanese yen. C. Chinese yuan. D. Vietnamese dong. The correct answer is South Korean won. The South Korean won, KRW, is issued by the Bank of Korea. South Korea's high-tech economy, home to Samsung, Hyundai and LG, makes the won one of Asia's most actively traded currencies. Question 26. Which country's currency is the Thai baht? A. Thailand. B. Vietnam. C. Indonesia. D. Malaysia. The correct answer is Thailand. The Thai baht, THB, is Thailand's official currency and one of the most stable in Southeast Asia. It is managed by the Bank of Thailand. The baht's name means weight in Thai, referencing its historical use in measuring silver. Question 27. What currency would you use in Israel? A. Israeli new shekel. B. Jordanian dinar. C. Egyptian pound. D. Turkish lira. The correct answer is Israeli new shekel. The Israeli new shekel, ILS, has been Israel's currency since 1986, replacing the old shekel. Israel's thriving tech sector, startup nation, and strong exports make the shekel one of the most resilient currencies in the Middle East. Question 28. Which currency symbol belongs to which country? A. Vietnam, Dong. B. Thailand, Baht. C. South Korea, Won. D. Philippines, Peso. The correct answer is Vietnam, Dong. The Vietnamese Dong, VND, is the official currency of Vietnam. With about 24,000 Vietnamese dongs per USD, it appears weak in number, but Vietnam's fast growing manufacturing economy has kept inflation relatively controlled in recent years. Question 29. What is the currency used in Pakistan? A. Pakistani rupee. B. Indian rupee. C. Bangladeshi taka. D. Sri Lanka rupee. The correct answer is Pakistani rupee. The Pakistani rupee, as PKR, is the official currency of Pakistan, issued by the State Bank of Pakistan. Since independence in 1947, the rupee has been Pakistan's monetary unit, though it has faced significant depreciation in recent decades. Question 30. Which currency is nicknamed the loonie? A. Canadian dollar. B. Australian dollar. C. New Zealand dollar. D. US dollar. The correct answer is Canadian dollar. The Canadian dollar, CAD, is nicknamed the loonie because its $1 coin features a common loon bird on its reverse side. The term is widely used in forex trading to refer to CAD currency pairs. Amazing! You have completed all 30 currency quiz questions. You are now a global money expert. Please like, subscribe and share this video for more fantastic quiz content.